I'm Rafael Gomez. I'm service manager for Dominion, that is a representative for Fluke company since 1985. I enjoy Dominion in 2005 as a service manager. My base laboratory is in Mexico City. Nowadays, Dominion Global has operations in many countries, mainly for services, for solar appliances, and almost for industrial products. Dominion uses Fluke calibration products in his own laboratory in the service center. We are accredited in 19025 standard to calibrate multimeters and amperemeters and some other things that use in the industry. We also are being involved in a project to calibrate a high accuracy using standards like standard resistors, like 5790 standard calibrator, like a reference multimeter. We are expanding our capabilities mostly in accuracy to give more service to our customers. Fluke Calibration sell the products to third-party laboratories, to primary laboratories also. We use all the span for Fluke calibration, like temperature, pressure, electrical, and also other kinds like radiation. We use MET. That is a software solution made by Fluke, and I use MET to create the procedures to do the calibrations automatized. When you obtain some knowledge and practice, you can do very interesting things to reduce the calibration time and to give services with good repeatability and reproducibility. If you try to calibrate a 5500 unit, you can spend almost 2 or 3 weeks using Excel formats. If you prepare before the Excel formats, spreadsheets. But if you develop a good procedure for 5500, you can invest something like probably a couple of times, 6 months. You can have a good procedure, and you can run all the calibration in almost 8 hours. There is definitely some cost savings. A laboratory that used and that want to calibrate a calibrator 55XX, he want to do faster because they do money with that calibrator. They do calibrations. They use the unit for his company. For that reason, the calibration must be as far as you can. With the software, with MET, we can do the calibration as far as we can, and we can do with good criteria like repeatability, like reproducibility, and with good exactitudes, and with good calculus and uncertainties. We need to admit that Fluke calibration products are very good manufactured. There are very good designed products for almost many years and for people that put all the heart and soul in the products. In my opinion, that's the really Fluke means, because there are products good designed, with very confidence, very secure, and for that reason, people use it. And I also always recommend Fluke products. I'm very excited. The most I love for the new version of MET is that option for MET team that work over a web environment. You can run MET team over navigation like Internet Explorer or Firefox. That's one of the things that I love. Other thing, obviously, is the server option. You can be in any part of the world, and you can run a VPN, and you can connect to your MET with our server, and run calibrations. That is the part of one project that we have here. We have in Mexico to make a service center in Ecuador, and we are going to connect the service center metrology laboratory in Ecuador to the service center metrology in Mexico to run all the procedures in real time and to share all the knowledge from Mexico to Ecuador.